Hello friends, welcome back into this channel, and today I will show you my desk setup, the things I got to make my desk setup, how they work together and how they make me productive on a daily basis. Let's talk about the hardware. The entire desk setup is powered by two MacBook Pro M1 2020. Why two MacBook Pro M1 2020? Because one is for my 9 to 5 job as employee and the other one is dedicated to my personal stuff, personal project, YouTube project, Instagram, video editing, photo editing, whatever. Both of the MacBook have the RAM, SSD and chipset maxed out because I need a lot of power to build my mobile app, web app, but also for video editing and photo editing. Power is the key for efficiency and productiveness. Talking about the monitor, I have this huge-ass monitor powered by Samsung. It's a 49 inches for 5K resolution. It's an awesome monitor because it's like have three 27 inches side by side without the annoying frame, the annoying black frame between the monitors. And don't worry, Samsung didn't pay me to show this monitor because I spent my whole year's salary bonus in 2020 to get this beast. Anyway, to all this monitor, I got this monitor arm powered by Ergotron, and it is the only monitor arm on earth can hold this monitor because the weight of this monitor is like 10 kilo, 12 kilos. So thank you Ergotron to send me this beautiful monitor arm and to save my eyes. Yeah, it's an eye saver. Thank you so much, Ergotron. Talking about peripherals, I got a lot of goodies from Satechi. I fell in love with this brand because they have a lot of goodies, a lot of products that are useful, well designed, well crafted, and also with finished product, with finished firm, very minimalist product that I love. Starting from the keyboard, I got this Slim X3 Bluetooth backlit keyboard. Before starting to use the Satechi keyboard, I used a lot another keyboard that was a mechanical keyboard, and the problem with that keyboard were, first one, it was very loud, so if you are in a call and you're trying to do something on the side, the people in the video call can hear you typing at the keyboard, so it's really annoying. The second problem was battery life. Yeah, because with the Hand Pro 2 it is a problem with the battery. Every day you have to recharge the battery in order to use with the Bluetooth and without the cable. With the Satechi keyboard I never recharged the battery since I got this keyboard a few months ago. So I fell in love with this keyboard powered by Satechi because it's really silent, the feedback on the key are perfect, and it is a full complete keyboard also with the number pad on right sides. So I fell in love with this keyboard powered by Satechi. And keep talking about peripherals, there is an annoying problem related to MacBook Pro M1. Yeah, because the version I got has only two USB-C port, and if you have to connect a lot of peripherals, your SD card from your camera, the monitor, you need a lot of adapter and you need a lot of cable on your desk. That is quite a mess. So to solve this problem, Satechi produced an MX adapter that is a problem solver and a life changer when you use it, because the adapter has all the ports you need to use. You have to use two USB-C port, one for the power, one for the data, two USD card slot, two USB slot, two UHDMI slot, and also an Ethernet slot. That is quite rare nowadays. Last but not least, this charging station for my devices is pretty minimal, well designed and the perfect fit for my setup. What I love is the MagSafe here that keep your iPhone up and inclined. I use it when I perform live streaming or when I pick a video call from my iPhone. So comfortable and so minimal, I love it. Thank you Satechi for all your goodies, and if you want to buy a product on their website, be sure to use this discount code I put in the description. Finishing talking about peripherals, there are 3 peripherals left. Are my mouse, that is an MX Master S2. I don't remember very well the model name, but you already see it in all the desk setup tour you see on YouTube, so I don't need to describe the mouse and I skip it out. Another thing that I skip out is this microphone powered by Auna. It's a cheap microphone, it doesn't deserve a description, so I skip it out. And last but not least, that deserve a description is the light you see here on the top of my monitor on my back. This light is an saver because it has a sensor which regulates the intensity and the warmth of the light based on the environment light. If you are a programmer or if you spend a lot of hours in front of your PC, it is a must-have and a nice saver. So if you wanna have this light you see here on my back and on top of my monitor, be sure to go on the BenQ Light site and pick your favorite. Moving away from electronics, let's talk about furniture, chair and stuff like that. So in terms of desk, I got this autonomous Smart Desk Pro in white. It is a standing desk and I can use it in standing mode or sitting mode. Normally I start my day using this desk in standing mode, and when I tired I switch to the sitting mode. One of the best things of this desk is the prompt you can use to set the height or memorize the height of your standing desk. In position number 1 I set the height to standing to stay in the standing mode, and in position number 2 I set the height of the standing desk in sitting mode. So it's quite comfortable, quite useful, and if you spend a lot of hours like me in front of your PC, it's a game changer because you can stay a lot of hours standing in front of your desk instead of stay sitting with poor or uncomfortable position that hurts your back. In terms of chair, I recently updated my old IKEA chair with this new one. It comes in black or white. I picked the white version with this blue bar on the back. It is an ergonomic chair designed for programmers and developers, powered by IKEA. It is cheap and it's worth its price. Let's talk about accessory now. This is an area that I really upgrade between 2021 and 2022, and all the things I got in this area, all the things I bought, whatever. All the things I bought in this area are made by Satechi, Circuit Board, Delta Hub and IKEA. And they include this amazing DeskPad leader powered by Satechi in deep navy blue. I've fallen in love with this color that perfectly fit my color grading, the color grading of my desk setup. And one of the best things of this color, it gives to the desk a finish and luxury look. Another things I love, it is the Scorpio 2.0 powered by Delta Hub, and it is a breeze saver and a elbow saver. Yeah, because it is a breeze support, you can hold and pat under your hand. It's perfectly designed for your hand, and it follows your hand when you slide with the mouse on your desks, and it saves my wrist and my elbow from the pain. Since I'm minimalist, there are just only 2 accessories on my desk. That is this coaster with a circuit board printed on it. Pretty stable, well designed and very minimal. I love it. It is powered by circuit board, and when you buy it, it comes with other accessories like this keychain, a smartphone, phone case and other accessories that are well designed, pretty nerdy stuff with circuit printed on it. Honestly, I love them and I use it on a daily basis. And last but most important accessory on my desk, it is this fake plant powered by IKEA, and its name is Groot. And it is the most important accessory on my desk because it gives to my desk a look more warm, more comfortable, and hide the little mess caused by the cables. If you liked this video and if you wanna see more behind the scenes of my personal life and you're interested in software development, software engineer niche, Flutter tutorial, React development tutorial, you probably wanna subscribe to this channel. And thank you again for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!